What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome here to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the automotive world of YouTube. And today's video, as you can see by the title, is just a follow up on my thoughts and opinions on the whole Ssc Tuatara stuff that's been going on, and just Shelby's latest video and Shmi's video, and basically just my thoughts on what I thought was going to happen and is going to happen, really. So if you've clicked on this video and you're new to the channel, you know what, guys, hit the subscribe button. Why not? You know, it's free, and look, we are going to be big things with this channel the bigger we get. You know, we are going to get a project car. It is on the works. It does take a bit of time, so the bigger we get, the quicker I can go get a project car for the channel. And obviously I want to turn this into a talk show kind of a channel as well. So, you know, there's plans there, so give the channel a chance. And, you know, comment below, guys. I want to hear your comments and thoughts and opinions on this subject below as well. So, Shelby did come out with his latest video, just basically saying that, you know, he saw Shmi's video and Misha's and Robert's and, you know, all that kind of stuff. And look, it's not a validated record run, the 331 miles per hour and the average of 316. They didn't have the original video, from what I can see in his, from what he said in his video. So when they got the original one, they can see why there were so many questions asked. So look, it is when I first made this video about it, and a lot of the others like Shmi made this video as well. I did say it, probably once you get controversy like this and there's questions asked and some stuff doesn't add up and this and that, look, they're going to have to do another rerun. And he has confirmed they are doing another rerun with more companies recording the run. He has also invited Shmi and Misha and Robert out to it as well to make sure everything is run and done correctly. So the next run that is going to be done, I think this time will be correctly done and we will get the correct figures. Hopefully he doesn't use bodywork at this time. This next time, I don't think he will. I'll be surprised if he does, because if it's to do with the video, that comes down to whoever did the production. You know, get somebody who's reputable, go down a route that you know you're going to have no issues in, and make sure this is done properly from the get-go. Look, Shmi said it. I think a lot of people have said it. It's not that we don't doubt that the car can do, can maybe beat the world record, but those speeds just didn't add up. So yeah, it'll just be interesting to see what the next steps are, when the next rerun will be. You know, we can, you know, hopefully throw this behind us. And you know, Shmi did call out Motor Trend as well, and I wouldn't blame him. Motor Trend are a fucking disgrace. They shouldn't be going away and making articles like that and then changing the article and not coming out with an apology to, you know, the YouTubers that called them out on it and were right. You know, I can't. It just frustrates me that, you know, there isn't a lot of more people should be going after Motor Trend and the author for putting it out there. They should be coming out with a full apology to Shmi and the rest of them with the crap that they wrote. They were miles off. This case closed thing was a load of BS. It just frustrates me. I think they should really hope it damages them. You know, you can't just go away and not question, you know, people that put a lot of work and time into these videos to see what was going on, and I think that they were right and Motor Trend were wrong. So yeah, I'd like to see them get hammered for it, and hopefully somebody can call them out and they actually make an apology, because you know, it's just really pissed me off what they said and what they've done. And even like Apollo said it, like they shouldn't have been doing case closed either. So yeah, just it's interesting, guys. Let's see what happens anyway. Let's keep our ears to the ground, see what Ssc come out with and when the next run will be. And hopefully, you know, if they can beat it, great. It's, you know, it's just interesting to see. It's just mad the way all this kind of played out. And look, as I said, probably my last video on it until you know, until something other big happens with them, and what, you know, I'll keep it covered. So thanks very much for watching the end. Check out my other videos. Again, if you're new, hit the subscribe button, give it a like, and do comment below, guys. I will have a longer video out tomorrow, so stick with us. Till then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.